and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my fall cleaning routine. Twice a year, I do a deep down clean of my home, but it's more than just having a more clean and organized space. This is about falling in love with your home again, little things that we can do to feather our nest. So as the seasons change outside, we can have some new, fresh changes in our home too. I always start my fall routine here in the bedroom because I gotta tackle this closet. I declutter all the time, but that's really the biggest difference between tidy homes and messy homes. Tidy homes declutter often. So this is the time of year where you wanna go through and do one of two things. You wanna make sure that you're rotating out all the summer clothes if you have a small closet like me, so you have room to see your fall clothes, or if you have a big closet, still take time to go through and see if there's anything you didn't wear in the summer that can go. Decluttering is so important. In under 10 minutes, I found a ton of summer clothes that I'm gonna put downstairs, and I found lots of things to donate. I'm feeling actually really good about myself. You've gotta try this. I'm definitely dusting the bedroom, especially focusing on the high things like the cobwebs in the corner and the light fixtures and the top of the lamps. But really, to do this fall routine, it's not about that weekly stuff we should be doing. It's about the stuff that we should do that we never do, like vacuum under the bed. I don't want to do it either. I don't want to do it, but we got to do it. So I'm going to pull the junk out from under the bed and quickly vacuum the dust and dog hair and all the dead bugs that I guarantee are under there. Probably the most important thing that you can do in your bedroom this fall is to rotate or flip your mattress. Just rotating it around or flipping it upside down will double the life of your mattress. And while your bed is stripped, sprinkle it with baking soda, let it sit for about 10 or 15 minutes, and then vacuum that up. Not only is it going to absorb odors and moisture, but it's going to clean your mattress at the same time. When I'm deep cleaning my kitchen, I really only focus on 3 main areas, mostly because I'm lazy, but it's the stove, the fridge, and the outside of the counters. And I always start with the oven and just spray it with oven cleaner so the cleaner can do the work while I move on to other things. So your fridge might be a little bit different than mine, but the bottom of my fridge always gets really scuffed and nasty, and also the coils of this fridge are located under here. Yours may be behind your fridge, but these have to be cleaned. It's like home maintenance 101, except oh yeah. But I just pop off this plastic piece and there's a horror. It's a horror and it's gross. It's gross, you guys. It's gross under here. Ugh. Yeah. So, I don't know. Not only do we kick food under the fridge when we don't want to sweep it, but also dog hair and dust and dander. And under here, it's filled with the coils and the stuff that's just filled with dust, making your fridge have to work harder, and it's kind of stinky. So make sure every fall and every spring, you give this part of your fridge a quick clean. Once you clean the bottom of the fridge, don't forget the top. I actually usually have baskets up here, but when I take them off, stop it. It's so much dust and goo. So I'm giving this a good spray and wipe, and also going to do like the seams of the fridge. Is that what it's called? You know, the plasticky thing that seals it? The seals. Make sure you wipe those too. It doesn't have to be a big job to clean your fridge. Now that the fridge is clean and the oven has still got its oven cleaner doing its thing, I'm gonna focus on the cabinets. This takes minutes, but I'm really gonna make sure I'm getting those spots that I usually miss, especially right above the stove, which has a lot of grease, and the kick plate, which is the bottom of the cabinets that are always so gross. I go through a lot of cleaning products in this house, which is why I'm so excited to partner with Blueland. I'm tired of tossing single-use plastics. Blueland uses no single-use plastics in any of their packaging, even their shipping. It comes with these beautiful bottles, and then you simply add tablets to make the cleaner. You fill your bottle right to the top with warm water and then drop in your tablet, and that's it. The best part is these products actually work. Like they're amazing. The multi-purpose cleaner, the glass cleaner. I think my favorite is the foaming hand wash, but they actually work and it's so affordable. I was spending anywhere from $6 to $7 a week on my cleaning products. One refill is anywhere from $1.55 to $2. So not only are you saving money, getting a cleaner home, but it's better for the environment too. If you want to save money on cleaning products and stop throwing out the single-use plastic, you have to give Blueland a try. You can save 15% right now with my exclusive coupon. I'm going to put a link in the description so you can check that out. This is also the perfect time of year to just go through your pantry and do a little refresh, throw out anything that's expired. And I'm really going to focus here on my baking cabinet because I bake a lot, starting in the fall all through the winter. I'm always baking, and right now this is a hot mess. So take a few minutes just to reassess these spots in your home and your kitchen that you use all fall long. The last thing I recommend doing here in the kitchen is creating a hot beverage station. So this doesn't have to cost you any money and it's very little time. Just gather the things that you like to use with your hot drinks. Like we have this little hot cocoa station, so we're filling it with marshmallows and caramel and different types of hot chocolate. So it's right here on the counter. It's easy to access, but I also think it looks like really beautiful decor. You don't have to spend a lot of time or money to make your home feel cozy for fall. Here in the living room, my main focus obviously is to wipe all the surfaces and vacuum the couch cushions, definitely clean the windows, just give this entire space kind of a deep down scrub. But my main focus is adding some fall decor. This is where I lose a lot of you. You say to me, Cass, you're telling me to declutter. Now you want me to go to the dollar store and get fall decor. What's that all about? But I really want to convince you to do something small in your space, whether it's a centerpiece or just adding a few pumpkins, or I have free printables that you can download and pop in a dollar store frame. This isn't about adding more stuff to your home. This isn't about completely redecorating your space. It's about falling in love with your home. It's about little things that you can do to change, to freshen, to renew your space so that every time you walk into your living room or kitchen or your front door, you feel proud of yourself. You love your home a little bit more. This is about feathering our nest. This is about making the best with what we have today. Even if you don't want to add some dollar store pumpkins, rearrange the furniture, add some new throw pillows. What are small things that you can do in your main living area so that every day when you walk in, it feels a little fresher, a little more like home? The last area I focus on when it comes to my fall cleaning routine is my entranceway. It always feels really tired at the end of summer. The plants are kind of dead. Everything's just looking like a hot mess sandwich out here. So I'm taking some time to love it. Small little things that you can do. And I think the most important thing you can do is wash your windows. I love using the Windex window washing kit. It's under $20. It comes with 2 pads and an extending wand. I can do all of the windows of my house in under 15 minutes. I gotta be honest, I kinda hate my curb appeal. I don't love the red brick. I certainly don't love the look of my raised ranch house, but I can do little things to like it a little bit more, like paint the front door. So I'm giving it a coat of primer and a coat of beautiful teal paint. And then I'm just gonna dress the front by replacing the dead flowers with fall mums, maybe adding some pumpkins, and of course, a DIY Dollar Tree wreath for the front door. It really doesn't take a lot of time or money to update the front of your home for fall. Hope you're feeling inspired to fall in love with your home this fall. I made you a printable pack. It has some really cute things you can frame for decor, 6 ways to update your home fast and easy, and of course the cleaning checklist. I'm gonna put that in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. I thought I would share a sad story with you today. I'm a little devastated. I've been decluttering for 15 years, 13 years, forever, and I've never regretted anything I've ever let go of. Truckloads, van fills, garbage bags of things have left my house, and I've never felt regret until this year. Last year, around this time, I was watching a lot of Dawn from the Minimal Mom, and I thought I'd be a bit of a minimalist, and I decluttered all of my holiday decor, including a lot of my fall decor. It was all dollar store junk, if I'm being honest, but I probably got rid of 2 totes worth of pumpkins and orange leaves. I was like going to embrace less is more. The new Cass doesn't have hordes of pumpkins. I miss my hordes of pumpkins. I brought out my totes this year and I was like, what happened? Why do I only have 56 pumpkins and not 5,000 pumpkins? I'm having slight regret, which is ridiculous that this is the thing of all the things I've decluttered that I'm kind of regretting. But yeah, it's the Dollar Tree leaves, it's the pumpkins, but I'm not going back and buying more. I refuse to give in because here's the truth. You're probably going to have things you regret when you declutter, but I would rather live with regret than live with clutter, right? I would rather miss those pumpkins and go without than have a whole basement that I can barely walk into because I have a problem with the fall decor. So sometimes decluttering hurts and sometimes it hurts later. This is my first time experiencing it, but I know that this is all part of the process, and even though I regret letting it go, I'm still happy that I decluttered. Let me know in the comments below if there's something you've regretted decluttering. I don't want this to trigger anyone and make you not declutter. Just keep saying to yourself, I'd rather live with regret than clutter, but sometimes we get a little overambitious and we have some regret. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.